Hello dear fans. How to calculate the angle of a triangle. A triangle is defined by its angles and sides. According to the type of angles, acute-angled triangles are distinguished. All three angles are acute, obtuse one angle is obtuse, rectangular one corner of a straight line. In an equilateral triangle all angles are 60. You can find the angle of a triangle in different ways, depending on the source data. Necessary. Basic knowledge of trigonometry and geometry. Instructions. Step 1. Calculate the angle of a triangle, if the other two angles alpha and beta are known, as the difference of 180 degrees, alpha plus beta, since the sum of the angles in a triangle is always 180 degrees. For example, let the two angles of the triangle be known: alpha equals 64 degrees, beta equals 45 degrees. Then the unknown angle gamma equals 180 minus 64 plus 45 equals 71 degrees. Step 2. Use the cosine theorem when you know the lengths of the two sides A and B of the triangle and the angle alpha between them. Find the third side using the formula C equals square root of superscript 2 plus B superscript 2 minus 2 asterisk A asterisk B asterisk cos alpha. Since the square of the length of either side of the triangle is equal to the sum of the squares of the lengths of the other sides minus twice the product of the lengths of these sides by the cosine of the angle between them. Write down the cosine theorem for the other two sides. F superscript 2 equals B superscript 2 plus C superscript 2 minus 2 asterisk B asterisk C asterisk cos beta. B superscript 2 equals A superscript 2 plus C superscript 2 minus 2 asterisk A asterisk C asterisk cos gamma. Express the unknown angles from these formulas. Beta equals arc cos B superscript 2 plus C superscript 2 minus A superscript 2 / 2 asterisk B asterisk C. Gamma equals arc cos X superscript 2 plus C superscript 2 minus B superscript 2 / 2 asterisk A asterisk C. For example, let the sides A equals 59, B equals 27 be known in a triangle. The angle between them is alpha equals 47 degrees. Then the unknown side C equals square root 59 superscript 2 plus 27 superscript 2 minus 2 by 59 by 27 asterisk cos 47 degrees almost equals 45. Hence beta equals arc cos 27 superscript 2 plus 45 superscript 2 minus 59 superscript 2 / 2 by 27 by 45 almost equals 107 degree. Gamma equals arc cos 59 superscript 2 plus 45 superscript 2 minus 27 superscript 2 / 2 by 59 by 45 almost equals 26 degree. Step 3. Find the angles of a triangle if you know the lengths of all three sides A, B, and C of the triangle. To do this, calculate the area of a triangle using Heron's formula. S equals square root P asterisk PA asterisk PB asterisk PC, where P equals A plus B plus C / 2 is a semiperimeter. On the other hand, since the area of the triangle is S equals 0.5 asterisk A asterisk B asterisk sin alpha, then express the angle alpha equals arc sin 2 asterisk S / A asterisk B from this formula. Similarly, beta equals arc sin 2 asterisk S / B asterisk C, gamma equals arc sin 2 asterisk S / A asterisk C. For example, let a triangle be given with sides A equals 25, B equals 23, and C equals 32. Then count the semiperimeter P equals 25 plus 23 plus 32 / 2 is equal to 40. Calculate the area using Heron's formula. S equals square root 40 asterisk 40 to 25 asterisk 40 to 23 asterisk 40 to 32 equals square root 40 by 15 by 17 asterisk 8 equals square root 81,600 almost equals 286. Find the angles. Alpha equals arc sin 2 by 286 / 25 by 23 almost equals 84 degree. Beta equals arc sin 2 by 286 / 23 by 32 almost equals 51 degree, and the angle gamma equals 180 minus 84 plus 51 equals 45 degrees. Thanks for watching.